with emotions. That scene is really not my style. Looking back now, a few regrets, many happy days, but with you I'd let you take me further than I've been before. For only you. When I fell in love, I never thought I'd fall this hard. When I fell in love, I fell in love with you. When I fell in love, I never thought I'd go this far. When I fell in love, I fell in love with you. When I fell in love, I never thought I'd fall this hard. When I fell in love, I fell in love with you. When I fell in love, I never thought I'd go this far. When I fell in love, I fell in love with you. Go this far. I love you.
I'm love crazy. Crazy over you. I'm love crazy. I'm helpless and there's nothing I can do. Cupid, they must have shot me with this arrow when I first saw your face. Cause I've been floating on the cloud ever since. Girl, I'm just a hopeless case. From the first time that I held you, I knew that it was just a matter of time. Before I did what comes naturally, when a pretty girl blows your mind, I think about you in the middle of the day, thinking how much I love you, and if everything's okay. Can't wait to hug you, squeeze you up so tight, and make such good love to you. You'll be hanging on to get life. I'm love crazy. Crazy over you. I'm love crazy. Crazy. I'm helpless. There's nothing I can do. Whoa, whoa. You bring me all the joy I possess. You make me feel alive. Well, they say man can't live by bread alone. You're the reason I survive. Whenever times get dark and cloudy, you make my gray sky blue. And whenever I fail, you're always there to bring me up. I can always count on you. No one else has made me feel the heat and the passion. Nothing like the way you do. I can do the wild thing 24 hours a day. That's the way it is when I'm with you. I'm love crazy, baby. Crazy over you. I'm love crazy. Ooh, there's nothing I can do.
She was a Jezebel, this Brixton queen, living a life like a backstreet dream, telling the lies when the truth was clear. I think she knew what I wanted to hear, spin 'em around like a wheel on fire, walking on tightrope and love's highway. Fatal attraction is where I'm at. no escaping me. I just wanna be close to you, and do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you and show you the way I feel. I feel love when I'm lying in the midnight hour, holding you just like a dream. Love is never what it seems when we touch, and you're holding me the way you do. Girl, you make my dreams come true. You make my dreams come true. I just wanna be close to you and do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you and show you the way I feel. She was a Gemini on the cusp of Mars. She holds me back or she goes too far, winding me up just to let me down. So emotional, gagged and bound. There's more to this than meets the eye. A devil woman locked inside. With the full moon rising, I was scared. I think I was possessed. I just wanna be close to you, do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you and show you the way I feel. I feel love every time your body's next to mine. Something deep inside of me wants to love you endlessly. When you touch, girl, you don't know how it makes me feel. I just can't believe it's real. I can't believe it's real. I just wanna be close to you and do all the things you want me to. I just wanna be close to you and show you the way I feel. She had an attitude I can't explain. You never know if you're in frame. Tying me up with elastic words. I'm on a countdown till I get hurt. Her blood was hot, she burned so bright. A neon sign there in the night. It's hard to say if I went too far. My heart still bears a scar. I just wanna be close to you. I just wanna be close to you. I just she was a Jezebel, Brixton queen, living a life like a backstreet dream, telling my lies when the truth was clear. I think she knew what I wanted to hear. Spinning around like a weed on fire, walking on tightrope on love's highway. The fatal attraction is where I'm at. There's no escaping me.
But I guess you didn't know. As I said, the story goes. Baby, now I got the flow. 'Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I'd win. Your love of mine. All those times I said that I love you. Your love of mine. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. Your love of mine. Even though you know I die for you. Your love of mine. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. brings you down. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. Your lies are mine. She said she'd never turn on me. Your lies are mine. But you did. Your lies are mine. All this pain you said I'd never feel. Your lies are mine. But I do. Return after me. Return after me. Return after me. Don't you know? You know that I've been here I go. Return after me. A little girl. Return after me. What's my pearl? Return after me. Up and down. You know that I've been right there now.
Sometimes it gets to me, the things people do. Does it hurt to see all the things they put you through? Should I stay here and live like this and have to tell my kids about the things that they had missed? When you pass me on the street, do I turn and run? Why can't I talk to you just like I've always done? Are you lonely? Are you feeling blue? Has it become too hard to admit the truth? You hear it every day. This world's become so strange. Don't be afraid to say something has got to change. Open your eyes and see the possibility. To think of what will be is just too much for me. Can't take it anymore. What are we fighting for? No peace or harmony. It's just too much for me. What do we have in store? What are we living for? This state of misery is just too much for me. No matter how I try, nothing I can do. You want the best from me, but will I get the best from you? Are you happy? Are you satisfied? Am I the reason for all the tears that you have cried? You hear it every day. This world's become so strange. Don't be afraid to say something has got to change. Open your eyes and see the possibility. To think of what will be is just too much for me. Can't take it anymore. What are we fighting for? No peace or harmony. It's just too much for me. What do we have in store? What are we living for? This state of misery is just too much for me. Thinking about your love. Are we there? Thinking about your love tonight, today, and always.
I know it's hard sometimes and you can get discouraged when it seems as though our working lives are keeping us apart. Put your trust in me, baby, don't you worry. And it won't be long now, so we must be strong. There was times I know I let you down so badly. I never knew then what losing your love would mean to me. Ask for anything, I'll give it to you gladly. 'Cause you're part of me now, and you must believe that. someone to care, I'll be there. You should know I'll never change, 'cause I'm thinking about your love tonight, today, and always.
Thinking about you, thinking about.
Counting up the days until I'm there beside you, till I hold you in my arms again. I find it hard to smile, so I'm asking you be faithful to me, baby, 'cause I'm coming through